iPhone SE2 in 4 colors, with a single camera and huge screen frames on new renders. iPhone SE2 may premiere in March. The fact that Apple is working on the successor to the iPhone SE has been said more than once. The premiere of the news is expected in the first half of next year. For example, it could be released in March with the iPad Pro 2020. In the meantime, at least a couple of months remain before the device's premiere. We suggest looking at its new renderings. As you can see, the iPhone SE2 will have at least 4 color versions. The design of the device is in the spirit of its predecessor with huge, by today's standards, screen frames. Although in comparison with the original, they are likely to become smaller. The main camera of the model is single. It is still unclear under what designation this model will come out. Different sources refer to both iPhone SE2 and iPhone 9 as possible options. But at the same time, they both agree that the price of the new product will be $400.